Welcome to JH. I recently decided to give the Victoria Beckham Beauty Satin Kajal Liner a go, mostly because I was on a desperate quest for a creamy, smudge-proof liner that wouldn't abandon me by lunchtime. The first thing you'll notice is how it glides on without any tugging or skipping, which is a nice change from the liners that require you to practically sand down your eyelids just to get some color. After a few weeks of steady use, my eye makeup actually looks defined and stays put throughout the day, which is a real blow to the raccoon chic look I usually sport by 3 p.m. The rich pigmentation and blendability make it suspiciously easy to transition from subtle definition to a bold smoky eye, even for those of us who don't have a professional glam squad on standby. With a range of matte, shimmer, and jewel finishes to play with, I've been experimenting with different styles more than ever. It's actually refreshing to have eye makeup that looks fresh all day, providing a level of confidence usually reserved for people who actually have their lives together.